Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the show, and welcome back to Miles Fast Garage, the garage without a garage. Alright, so today we're going to replace the brake calipers right here, and there's quite a few steps, so let's get right to it. Alright guys, I got the wheel off, so let's just go over the tools you're going to need. I have a 12-inch breaker bar. You're going to need a T55 torque if you're doing the front brake calipers. We don't need that right now. You'll need a 12mm socket. Where's my 18? Where's my 18mm? You'll need a 18mm socket for the caliper bracket. You might need a C-clamp to compress the brake cylinders, so we have 2 of those. You might need some pliers. Alright, we have a bracketed brake caliper, a new one, so we can just take off the bracket right here. Let's compress the brake cylinder, and then we'll take off these 18mm bolts to remove the bracket. Alright, the first thing we're going to want to do is take off these 12mm bolts, remove the brake pads, and then we'll remove these 18mm bolts down here to remove the caliper brackets. Now this brake caliper was getting stuck, so the brakes were always on, and that's why I'm replacing it. Before we remove this completely, let's loosen up the brake line bolt. It'll be easier to loosen it now than later. Okay, so this is an 11mm. Alright, so it's loose enough. It's starting to leak a little brake fluid, so let's tighten it up. Alright, it's loose enough so that we can free it up pretty easily once we get this off. Alright, there's our old bracket. Here's a new brake caliper with the bracket. So it looks pretty nice, guys. So if you look here, it comes with a new bolt and these copper washers. So the bracket comes off like that. These are the pins. Alright, so let's put this thing together. Alright, so I'm just going to put some grease on these rods right here. Alright, and we can also put these caliper guides on. the caliper and the bracket back together. So now I can bolt this back on. I'm just going to put a little bit of Loctite on this bolt. Great. I'm just going to move this caliper for a minute. So I can put these, this will just swing right open, right? Let's do that. You can actually slide it all the way off. But we're just gonna put our brake pads on here. These are good. Alright, so now we can lock this back up. Alright guys, so here's the important part. We need to transfer this brake line onto here. We're gonna remove this bolt, okay, and then place it on here. Okay, this goes underneath that. Brake fluid is highly corrosive, so you're going to want to clean it up with a rag as soon as you can. Okay, so we have to get this off of here. All right, so we got that off, and you see there's one there. So we need to take our new one right here, okay, and put this one in the top right there. Put the other washer on the bottom, like that, and then we can install it. Right now my gloves are covered in brake fluid. All right, now this right here is our bleeder valve. That's just a cover for it right there. And this is a 10mm socket. We're gonna have to go ahead and loosen that up a little bit. Okay, so just loosen it a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove the cover off of the brake fluid reservoir. Okay. Now it should be filling up with brake fluid. Now if you don't have anybody to help you, you can use a 2x4 to hold the brake pedal down while you tighten the the cap or the valve. You can also make a homemade bleeder with a bottle and some tubing, but this way works too. Alright, once you get your brakes all set, you can go ahead and fill this, check your brake fluid and fill it up to the max level. Alright guys, so that's it for today. All we have to do is put the wheel back on and take it out for a test drive. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Alright, have a good day guys.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it.